Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and I'm an interior designer. In today's video, I want to talk to you about my top 3 pros and cons of whether or not choosing IKEA cabinetry for your kitchen renovation is the right move for you. In the end, I will also share with you what we ended up going with to give you a good comparison. Before we dive right into it, I want to just talk about there's really no right or wrong answers in this situation. It really comes down to your priorities, your financial situations, and just your preferences. So let's talk about the pros. The number one pro of why people go with IKEA cabinetry is most definitely the price. It's by far the most budget-friendly quote that I have ever received. I actually have it in my hand right now. So the entire kitchen doing the cabinetry for our kitchen is only $8,522. That doesn't include installations and assemblies. This is really affordable. I have not gotten anything even close to this. So if budget is truly your main concern, then I can tell you right now, I don't think anything will beat IKEA. Another great aspect of choosing IKEA cabinetries is their services. You can book free in-person consultations or free online consultations to talk about your kitchen. They also have this free online kitchen modeling tool that you can just drag around their different modules to kind of tailor to your kitchen dimensions. I actually played around with it for our kitchen and it was pretty cool, pretty intuitive, and it's a really great way to start visualizing your kitchen. A bonus point, if you go to IKEA's store, the meat bowl is amazing. So you also get to eat great food. Third is predictability. All of IKEA's cabinets are modular, so when you're designing them, there's no surprises. You know exactly what all the sizes are going to look like. And if you don't have a sense, you can always visit your nearby IKEA stores. The one near me has this white wall that has all the different labels, dimensions on it, so it was really helpful for me, even as a designer, to just understand different perspective. And now let's dive into the cons. One of the biggest concern for me when I was looking at IKEA cabinetry was definitely the quality. In Chinese, we like to say 一分钱一分货, means whatever you pay for, it shows. Compared to a lot of different vendors, I have to say that IKEA's quality is just not there. They are made out of particle boards, so they're not real wood or plywood, just particle boards. Even though the sales in IKEA, they might tell you it's going to last a long time, but trust me, I don't believe that. If you are a person that cooks a lot and are thinking about building your forever home, you're going to have pets, children, I don't recommend it because it's not going to last. And instead, I would recommend you look into prefab options that it's going to be a little bit more expensive than IKEA, but the quality is there and you still have the customization ability to do so. I think you just don't want to run into the issue a few years down the line and realize that you made the wrong decision for your kitchen and you have to redo this whole process, then it's really not worth it. If you do have the money to purchase a little bit more and if this is your forever home, I would recommend looking at something else instead of just looking for IKEA cabinetry. The second con has to be the customization abilities. When it comes to IKEA's existing design, there's not a lot of color choices as well as the cabinet door options. So if you want to go with everything IKEA, then that's what you have. However, I did a lot of research. If you really don't like the option that IKEA provides, there are different vendors such as semi-handmade, frontier, and new cabinet doors that provides hundreds of different types of cabinet doors and designs for you to have that customization look without breaking the bank. When it comes to slab, in my next video, I'm going to talk about different countertop options and which one is the most suitable for you, as well as what we ended up choosing for our own. I learned so much through that whole process, so I can't wait to share that with you. But for now, just know there's actually so many different options. Just book a consultation, go check out your local stone yards, and then see the possibility that there is out there besides the ones that they're showcasing for you in IKEA. And lastly, this is a con to me, but it might not be a con to other people. It takes a lot of time to assemble all the IKEA cabinets. IKEA is known for their easy DIY instructions and just assembling everything, but for me, because work is already so busy, we just don't have the time to really install it. But alternatively, you could hire a professional team from IKEA to help you assemble everything. So that's an option. Just pay a little bit extra and then someone will come professionally and do it for you. Or you can just hire someone from like TaskRabbit. So for us, what we value the most is quality. And unfortunately, when I was comparing all the different vendors, IKEA's cabinets did not make the cut. It was just not what I was looking for. We cook a lot at home and most of the dishes that we make are Asian dishes. So there's a lot of durability issues and just wanted to make sure that it can actually last the time. And then second, because I'm a designer, so I'm really picky when it comes to the aesthetics of my cabinets. And I was not able to find the right one that I was looking for from all the options there is. In cabinetry, there's 3 tiers. There's IKEA, and then there's prefab, and there's completely custom. Prefab is in the middle of IKEA and custom, where the material itself is very durable. A lot of them use plywood. The cabinet door front could be oak, it could be plywood. It just depends on what that vendor is using. But the design of the cabinet door front is limited depending on that vendor. And also the color could be limited too. So when I was going through that process, I was not able to find a good middle ground of where I like the design, I like the color, I like the material. It doesn't exist. We ended up going with custom and I am really excited to just go through with the design process. I hope that today's video gives you a good understanding of my take on the pros and cons of IKEA cabinetry, and I hope that these informations are helpful to you when you are on the journey of doing your kitchen renovation. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!